Hi guys, my name is Smiti Chabra. I am an advocate, model and a personality coach, and here we make content around fashion and fashion industry. So if you're a model or if you want to become a model, this channel and the videos we create are just right for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing the do's and don'ts during, before and after a shoot or a show. This video is going to be extremely informative, so stay tuned. So let's talk about the things that you must keep in mind before a shoot or a show to make it a success. Firstly, you should take care of your nails, both hands and feet. You could either file them, shape them properly, apply a nude nail paint if possible, and if you want to go a little extra mile, then definitely get your pedicure and manicure done. Next step would be do proper skincare. It should be a thing that you're doing just before a shoot or a show, but this should be a ritual that you are following in your day-to-day life to get healthy and glowing skin. Next step would be wash your hair properly, thoroughly, that there's no oil left on your scalp. Do not apply any conditioner, serum or mask because that makes it difficult for the hairdressers to style your hair. Then next would be shave off the excess body hair you have. I know it's harsh, but that is the reality of the industry. You should have no hair on your body whatsoever. After this, you must wash your makeup tools, including your blenders, sponges and brushes, because you must carry these to the shoot or the show. Over there, the makeup artists might use the same makeup tools on different faces, and that can lead you to acne or pimples. After that, prepare a proper model bag. Model bag is something that you are required to carry to a shoot or a show. I've made a separate video on this, so do check that out. You should also not overeat or overhydrate yourself just a day before your event. It usually leads to acidity, bloating, mood changes, and you might have to use the restroom again and again. So make sure that you are having a balanced diet with a right amount of water. Next would be debuffing your body and your face. So the morning of the shoot or a show or a night before the shoot or the show, you should definitely do some cardio to get the sweat out of your body and wash your face with cold water. Do ice packing if possible. That is going to depuff your face and it's going to look very good in your pictures and videos. Lastly, prepare yourself as per the mood board or the theme of the show. It's very important that you know that what is the theme of the shoot or the show you are going to be a part of and prepare accordingly. So if the shoot is very happy, fun, bubbly, then you should prepare certain acts, poses, actions, posture according to that. If the shoot is very intense, then prepare yourself, prepare your mind and your heart as per that. And last but not the least, have a good night's sleep and you're all set to rock at your show. So let's talk about the things you should take care of during the show or the shoot. Firstly, take care of your body odor. Make sure that you have good amount of perfume, roll-on, deodorants, whatever you use applied on your body, because everybody will be in a very close proximity to you, so you don't want to smell bad. Even take care of your oral hygiene, have gums, mints, everything ready by your side. Also, your intimate hygiene is very important. You might be using public restrooms or restrooms in hotels, restaurants, or the shoot locations, which are used by a lot of people. So make sure that you're carrying your proper intimate hygiene kits, tools, whatever you use to be in a better place. Next thing or things that you should be taking care of are your personal belongings. So there are a lot of people and teams at the shoot location, even at the show location, and there are high chances of your things getting misplaced or even lost. So it's very important that you keep a check on your things regularly. If you can, you should have a lock on your bag at all possible times. You should also not forget to hydrate your body. It's very important to stay hydrated during the event because you are actually going to be under a lot of pressure, a lot of lights, a lot of makeup, probably going to be on your heels all the time. So make sure you're hydrating yourself well. Have ORS, coconut water, regular water, whatever suits you. Also, eat on time. Do your breakfast on time. Have a brunch if possible. Have your lunch on time. Have evening snacks if it's a full day thing. But make sure that you're eating on time, because if you're not eating, that is going to show on your face. Your energy will go down and the camera will capture everything. So make sure that you're hydrating yourself and eating on time. Lastly, be nice to the people who are around you, and do not forget to take their Instagram handles, their mail IDs, and ask them for the posts, pictures, and all the data that they have collected, so that you can also put all of these things on your Instagram and increase your reach. Now let's just quickly talk about the things you should do after the project has been done. So firstly, you should double cleanse your face. That is using a cleanser, cleansing milk, micellar water, and then use a face wash on top of it. You can also wash your face twice if you feel that makeup residue is still there. Secondly, wash your hair properly. So hair artist once suggested me that you should never put oil on your hair when the product is already there on your hair. You could wash it with regular shampoo and then apply a lot of hair mask and conditioner. Maybe if the hair dries up, you could apply oil then and wash it again whenever you feel like. Lastly, you could use all the data, stories, BTS that you made on your Instagram to boost your profile. In this way, many people who would do similar projects will get to know about you, and you might end up getting new projects. So this is it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again super soon with another informative video.